name is Nana. These days, most children receive allowance. I also get allowance and use it where I want it. Sometimes I regret spending all my allowance on useless things. So we should buy what you really need. I spend my allowance on snacks and buy writing instruments. Here are 2 reasons to support my presentation. First, I spend my allowance on my snacks. If when school after, then I'm so hungry. So I'm almost buy sweet and delicious snack. I study hard at the academy and eat snacks after school can relieve my stress. For example, Gongcha is close to Cheongdam. I often drink bubble tea at the Gongcha. Just like eating sweets make me feel good. I eat snacks after school and the cost of the snack is about 10,000 won. Second, I spend my allowance on writing instruments. I've been interested in writing instruments since a long time ago, so I collect a lot of writing instruments. I collect it because I'm really excited and happy whenever I buy and use a new writing instruments. It may be my idea, but if I study with a new writing instrument, I will write hard and I want to study better. In conclusion, when I have 20,000 won allowance that week, then I'm spend like these 2 things. I'm spend my allowance on my snacks and on my writing instruments. Thank you for listening, and if you like them, please click like on this video.